Running ads but not sure if they're making you money? Conversion tracking tells you which clicks are turning into cash. I'll show you how to set it up. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A conversion is any valuable action, like a purchase or sign up. For basic tracking, if you have Google Analytics 4 installed correctly, it's already tracking your purchases as conversions. You can view this data inside your GA4 reports. For ad platforms like Google Ads and Meta, the best method is to use their specific conversion tags. Often, when you connect these platforms to Shopify using their official apps, this tracking is set up automatically. A crucial pro tip: don't just track purchases. Also set up conversion tracking for add to cart and initiate checkout. These mid-funnel actions help your ad algorithms learn and find valuable customers faster, often at a lower cost. And just like that, you can finally measure the true ROI of your marketing. Conversion tracking stops you from wasting money on ads that don't work. Which ad platform are you most focused on tracking? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to view real-time visitors on Shopify. Thanks for watching.